This is the Adil. Lenovo K12 is a budget-oriented smartphone that brings cool features on board to tackle its competitors. The phone includes a 6.5-inch IPS TFT. You can get 48-inch rear camera and 8MP front-facing camera. Let's do the unboxing and see what's inside the box. Lenovo K12 features a dual camera on the rear side 48MP. The selfie camera consists of an 8MP. Surprisingly, K12 is protected with a transparent cover and its quality looks amazing. The size of the display is 6.5-inch IPS LCD that provides a resolution of 720x600 pixels. The aspect ratio of the phone is 20:9 with a screen to body ratio of 87%. The display might produce slightly fuzzy visuals but won't affect the performance of the phone. The smartphone is powered by the Qualcomm SM4250 Snapdragon 460 octa-core processor with 1.8 GHz speed. Lenovo K12 runs on an Android 10 operating system. For the background performance, the phone has 4 GB of RAM and Adreno 610 GPU renders graphical output for the demanding apps and games. In Geekbench benchmark testing, the Lenovo K12 gets a single core score of 151 points and a multi-core score of 845. You can compare its ranking and performance with other model results based on the Geekbench result. 3DMark is a popular benchmarking app that helps you test and show the performance of your smartphone, and Lenovo K12 gets a 403 score on Single Shot Extreme. In PCMark for Android benchmark, Lenovo K12 gets a score of 5259 points. This is due to the use of the chipset Qualcomm Snapdragon 460, having a main processor 4x1.8 GHz Cortex-A73, 4x1.8 GHz Cortex-A53 that uses 64 bits architecture and graphic processor Qualcomm Adreno 610. Lenovo K12 is backed by 4000 mAh battery underneath and sports a 20-watt fast charger. A full day of power backup is expected on normal users of the phone. Connectivity options include 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS and a USB Type-C port. For photos and videos, the Lenovo K12 comes with the triple rear camera setup that includes a 48MP primary sensor, a 2MP secondary sensor. On the front, the phone has an 8MP sensor that has an f/2.2 lens for selfies and video calls. I played couple of games on Lenovo K12 and let's see the gaming experience and how it performs. Using a gaming controller with the Lenovo K12 is fun and it gives a wonderful gaming experience while playing Asphalt Airborne. But a smooth gaming performance while playing Subway Surfer. A Snapdragon 460 octa-core processor and 4 GB of RAM means performance is good. It gives a good gaming experience on the Mortal Kombat. CSR Racing 2 is a drag racing game that puts you behind the wheels of some of the most powerful vehicles on the market, and its gaming experience is so wonderful on Lenovo K12 smartphone. Shadow Fight 3 is something different but in a good way. Impressive animation, especially the slow motion during combat, are still one of the favorite part of the game. Lenovo K12 has a 6.5-inch color IPS TFT LCD with a water drop notch. The display is long and has pure bezels around with a thick chin at the bottom. Also, screen has a reasonable size to counter the daily task on the phone. The Lenovo K12 sports Hyper Dual SIM and featured a dual camera with 48 MP rear camera, and you can find in just 400 Real. And for the buyings, you can find the links down below in the video description. If you are interested in Lenovo Legion gaming laptop, then click on this playlist. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.